Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing something that's perfect for beginners, weekend players, and anybody who wants an affordable but legit pickleball paddle upgrade. This is the T300 carbon fiber pickleball paddle set. And here we go. This is what we got in the mail today, sent out by Joyson. So a shout out for today's sponsor for sending this out to me. Now this is USAPA approved, which is basically a USA Pickleball approved set. It's lightweight and built for both power and comfort. So let's go ahead and get into it. Stick around for today's video. All right guys, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside the box you get a beautiful carry bag with the strap, a handle, and a mesh net on the front to carry some items as well. And very nice. And of course this is zippered. All right, so first we got the indoor-outdoor pickleballs, and we got the two paddles here that it comes with. Now these come in different colors, and you can choose the different colors on their website. We'll get into that in a minute here. It also came with a cooling tower, a super cooling towel. Very nice bonus. And it looks like it's also got white and black grip tape for the handles, some extra that comes with it. So great little setup for especially beginning or intermediate. Fantastic. Now, like I said, this comes in a variety of different colors that you can purchase online. Now, on Amazon right now, you have your choice between black, blue, green, pink, purple, red, white, and yellow. So you got a variety of different colors. It looks like 8 different colors. And so fantastic for beginners or for intermediate players. Everything you need all in one little setup. And again, this strap is also adjustable, so you can make it bigger as well if you need to. And the bags all come standard, I believe, with this color though. Right now, this is going for $49.99 on Amazon. And I'll be trying this out this weekend. I did go into the courts, and they did not allow me to film inside. I really wanted to, but they didn't want me filming other people playing pickleball. Understandable, but anyway, I will go ahead and test these out this weekend for sure. But I'm really happy that I got this because I've been picking up a lot of different little sports lately, going to the driving range for golf, and now I have an excuse to go and try out some pickleball. Just want to mention right away, I noticed that the paddles feel super lightweight, around the 7.8 ounce range, which is ideal if you want quicker swings and less wrist fatigue. Now, this is where the T300 set stands out. The face uses T300 carbon fiber, which has become really popular because it gives you a great mix of power when you need to fire off a drive, control for dinks and soft game shots, spin thanks to the textured finish. The core is a polymer honeycomb, which is the standard for modern paddles. It reduces vibration and gives you a more consistent strike. Now, I know after a few games with these, some of the features that people have noticed that have really stood out are that the carbon fiber is the power. The carbon fiber surface gives you noticeably more pop than entry-level fiberglass paddles. Drives felt crisp and effortless. Control and soft touch. At the kitchen line, the paddle doesn't feel jittery. Dinks come off with a good predictability, which is great for beginners improving their touch game. Spin, that textured carbon surface definitely helps with top spin serves and roll volleys. You won't get pro-level spin, but it's more than enough for recreational play. Weight and handling, because it's so light, it's perfect if you're new to the sport or play long sessions. Your wrist won't get torched. So who is this set perfect for? This set is ideal for beginners upgrading from cheap wooden paddles. Intermediate players who are wanting a solid carbon fiber upgrade. Couples, friends, family members who want a 2-paddle set. and players who want the USAPA approved paddles without spending $150 plus. So as always, there's always going to be some pros and cons. Let's start off again with the pros. Pros are super lightweight, coming in at 7.8 ounces per paddle. True carbon fiber surface. Great mix of control and pop. Comes as a complete set. USAPA approved. Affordable. Like I said, the going rate currently on Amazon, $49.99. Comfortable grip. Good moisture absorption. Not a lot of cons for this, to be honest. Not as powerful as premium paddles that are in the 120 up to 200 plus range, which, I mean, again, these are $50 paddles, and you get a really good deal and good quality for that price. The edge guard is decent, but not super heavy duty. Serious competitive players may outgrow it eventually. So, final verdict for the price, guys. The T300 carbon fiber pickleball paddle set is one of the best values from starter to intermediate kits out there. If you want something lightweight, forgiving, and USAPA approved without breaking the bank, then this is an excellent choice. If you want to check it out, I will leave the link in the description and also the pinned comment. If you've used these paddles before, drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And I'd love to hear your thoughts just in general about this pickleball paddle set. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're updated every time I come out with a new review. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao.